Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting off new backups so the unwanted photos aren't preserved. Go to WhatsApp settings, chats, chat backup, and switch off auto backup or set backup frequency to never. Once done, open your cloud provider, Google Drive on Android or iCloud Storage on iPhone. This prevents a fresh backup from resaving images. Make sure you're logged into the same account that holds the WhatsApp backup, otherwise you'll delete the wrong file. Next, remove the cloud-stored backup itself. That's the only way to purge backed up photos. On Android, open Drive. Google, Com or the Drive app, select Backups, find WhatsApp backup, and delete it. On iPhone, go to Settings, your Apple ID iCloud Manage Storage, find WhatsApp, and delete the backup. Now delete the photos inside WhatsApp chats and the WhatsApp media folder on your device. Clear the phone's trash. Confirm the files are gone locally, so they won't reappear when you make a new backup. Finally, create a fresh backup only after you're sure the photos were removed. Re-enable Chat Backup and tap Backup to create a new cloud copy. This new backup will no longer contain the deleted images. If old images reappear, make sure no other device or secondary account restored an old backup and verify you deleted the correct cloud backup. Troubleshooting tip: if you can't find the backup to delete, check alternate Google or Apple ID and signed-in devices before repeating the process.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.